Making a woman miss you is not about manipulation. Games are playing hard to get. It's about creating emotional impact, presence, and value in her life. Most men think that constant attention, gifts, or overcommunication will make a woman think about them more. In reality, the opposite is true. Overavailability diminishes intrigue, reduces respect, and weakens attraction. What actually makes a woman miss you is a combination of your emotional authority, calm confidence, and the way you make her feel when you are present. When a man can step back, intentionally create space, and maintain his own life, he triggers reflection, longing, and emotional investment. A woman begins to notice the gap your absence creates, the stability and confidence you provide, and the value you bring into her world. These are the things that make her think about you, replay memories of your interactions, and experience genuine desire in your absence. This video is about the 5 key things men can do to make a woman miss them deeply. Attraction is rooted in psychology, human behavior, and modern dating dynamics. These strategies are practical, straightforward, and designed to increase your presence and value without manipulation or neediness. They focus on building emotional pull, creating contrast, and allowing her to recognize your worth naturally. By implementing these 5 actions, you'll create a magnetic presence that lingers even when you are not around. She begins to think about you, feel your absence, and associate your presence with positive emotions and stability. Mastering these steps transforms the way women perceive you, turning ordinary interactions into memorable, meaningful connections that make her miss you more than she ever expected. 1. Create emotional impact. The first thing that makes a woman miss you is creating emotional impact. This is not about grand gestures or material things. It's about how you make her feel. When you are present, every interaction leaves a subtle imprint on her mind and emotions. Women are highly attuned to energy, confidence, and emotional presence, often more than words or appearances. When you engage with intention, humor, or authenticity, you create experiences that linger in her thoughts. Emotional impact is about leaving a positive, memorable mark that she associates with you. In modern dating, where interactions are often superficial, this becomes even more powerful. Most men fail because they blend into the noise of everyday attention. If your presence does not stand out, there is nothing to miss when you are gone. Emotional impact can be created in multiple ways. Through deep, engaging conversations that reveal your confidence and perspective, through playful banter that makes her smile or laugh in a way she doesn't experience with others, or through small moments of thoughtfulness that show attention. Without overcomplicating things. The key is intentionality. Every interaction should feel purposeful, grounded, and confident. Emotional impact also comes from demonstrating stability and composure. If you remain calm under pressure, confident in your decisions, and self-directed, she notices it subconsciously. That combination of positive experience, confidence, and emotional consistency creates a lasting impression. When you step away or reduce communication, she begins to reflect on those moments, the laughter you shared, the confidence you displayed, and the comfort of your presence. Create a gap in her daily emotional landscape. That gap triggers longing and curiosity, and she starts replaying your interactions, remembering how you made her feel and comparing it to the current void. Emotional impact is what transforms ordinary presence into unforgettable memory. Without it, absence has no power because there is nothing meaningful for her to miss. By consistently creating emotional resonance, you lay the foundation for desire, reflection, and attachment. When executed correctly, this is the first and most critical step in making a woman miss you deeply. It ensures that your presence is remembered and your absence is felt profoundly even before any deliberate space or withdrawal strategies are applied. It is not about manipulation. It is about living and showing the best version of yourself, leaving her naturally drawn to you and thinking about you, even when you are not around. To maintain your independence. The second key to making a woman miss you